Hey, what's going on, guys? Bennie Childs here, and this is your midweek reversal watch list for June, for the week of June 21st through June 26th. All right, and so, guys, again, remember what we're trying to do is to make it easy for you guys to catch the midweek reversals. All right, so we're going to practice being patient. We're going to practice allowing the market to come to us. So therefore, we're looking for just clear setups of possible midweek reversals. Okay. All right. And so, what I would like for you guys to look for. All right. And let me just load in, add the EMAs on here. All right. So what I will like for you guys to look for, um, just to see clearly defined Asian stacks. Okay. All right. And please remember, an Asian stack is just simply the Asian sessions stacking on top of one another. All right. So let's take a look at the Dixie right here. Taking a look at the dollar index. All right. Um, this is our current week right here. All right. Here's our weekly divide. Okay. So we have Monday here. Okay. We have Tuesday. Monday's Asian session is here. Tuesday's Asian session, which is today, June 23rd, is here. This is a clear Asian stack. Tuesday is below Monday's Asian session. Okay. So what this tells me is in our cycle, we're looking for 3 days of rise or 3 days of drop, and we're looking for a midweek reversal. Okay, so this tells me here's one day. All right, here's the second day for Monday's Asian session, Tuesday's Asian session. So what we're going to be looking for is come Wednesday, we're looking for Wednesday's Asian session, all right, to have a clear stack below Tuesday's Asian session, all right, and from there, we're going to look for our W formation, okay. We'll simply drop down to the 15-minute chart, all right, and we'll look for our W um, formation, okay. Um, W formation, all right. Some things you want to look for is you want to see three pushes or three consolidation levels, okay. So coming out of the Asian session, like for instance here, this will be one push, all right, then consolidation here, second push, consolidation here, and now the third push is coming down, okay, and we had a consolidation. So again, we want to look for at least three pushes down or three levels of consolidation. All right, now there can be more. All right, but in this case, you can now use the workflow template. All right, you look for the exhaustion square. All right, you will look for a color changing candle along with a directional arrow pointing up. Okay, and with that color changing candle, you're going to want that color changing candle to cause the green EMA on the TDI to be above the red and the yellow EMA on the TDI before you get in. Okay. Another clear sign of a W will be price coming down, then coming up and breaking above the 13 EMA, and then coming back and closing below. All right, to form that apex here. Okay, so now remember it could come all the way down to test uh, the first leg here, or it could stop up here. But again, you want it to come down, come up above the 13 EMA, then come back down below the 13 EMA. Okay, and then you want that second leg to break above the 13 EMA. All right, and at that point here is when, you know, we're looking for our color changing candle along with the directional arrow. Okay, now that's for the W formation. Sometimes you can get a V straightaway. Okay, but again, we mainly want to look for the W just to make it easy for you guys. All right, you mainly want to look for the M or W formation. So again, on the dollar index on tomorrow, we're going to be looking for, again, that W formation, and preferably bouncing off of the low of today. Okay, so that's what we're looking for on the Dixie. Okay, so the Dixie is a good pair to watch. Okay. Okay, now let's take a look at gold. See how gold is forming. Okay. All right. So there's no clear Asian stack here, so we're going to keep moving. S&P 500. There's no clear Asian stack here. All right. And when I say Asian, when I say stack, I literally mean a stack. The low of this Asian session has to be on top of the high of this Asian session. All right, so that's not a clear stack. That's not a clear stack either. GU, this is a clear stack. You see how the low of the Asian session is above Monday's. Okay, so this is a clear Asian stack, and so in this case, we're going to be looking for a M formation on tomorrow, Wednesday, June 24th. All right. And so again, we're looking for that M formation, preferably playing off of the high of today. Okay, and again, you're going to drop down to that 15-minute time frame, and again, you're going to look for that M formation. So you're going to want price to break above the 13 EMA and close, break below, come back up, and then break below the 13 EMA. All right, and when it breaks below the 13 EMA, again, that's when you're going to get that color changing candle. And so what we would like to see again is an exhaustion square. All right, followed by a directional arrow, followed by a color changing square. Okay, followed by the green EMA to be below the red and the yellow. Okay, that's what we'll be looking for tomorrow. All right, and once we get those four conditions, you want to enter into the trade. All right, and again, you should be able to hold that until Friday if it's a really good setup, but at least until Thursday is what we're going to be looking for. But of course, take what you can get. Okay. All right, let's take a look at Swiss. I always do my analysis on the 1 hour for the midweek reversal. Just makes it a lot easier to see the stacks. But of course, you can simply just do it on the 15-minute chart and just kind of minimize. But that's just me. This is me making things a lot harder than what it has to be. All right. GJ, this is really close. I possibly would keep an eye on that, but this is probably going to be just a reset anyway, because it's in a downtrend here. So the reset could actually come today. Now, you guys do know that the midweek reversals can happen on Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursday. All right, but again, just to kind of only put you in the market when you necessarily have to be in the market, and just to minimize your losses, we're looking for these midweek reversals on Wednesdays. Okay, but they can technically happen on Tuesdays, Wednesdays, or Thursdays, even Fridays. But again, just to minimize your losses, that's what we're doing. All right. We'll keep going with that. GBP and CD. All right, Euro NZD. Okay, just a bunch of consolidation. All right, let's take a look at these majors. AU, no. Euro USD, okay, this is one that I will watch for the midweek reversal. Again, Monday's Asian session, or Tuesday's Asian session is stacked above Monday's. All right, so for Wednesday, again, we'll be looking for an M pattern to form. Okay. All right. And that's when we'll drop down to the 15-minute session, and again, look for that M pattern to take place during London or New York session. Okay. And get into the trade and try to ride it until Friday. Okay. All right. NZD, USD CAD. We'll keep going off of that. All right. USD Swiss. This is a clear Asian session stack here. So again, Wednesday we'll be looking for a W formation on the 15-minute chart. Okay. USD JPY. Amazon, I would just use the, I'm just kind of watching this. I wouldn't necessarily trade Amazon. I wouldn't try to sell Amazon because Amazon stock is just going up. So just wait on a clear sign of it going up, because again, you can clearly see that even like if you do it on the 4-hour chart, 4-hour chart was some months ago where we got that indication that it was going up here. It was reversing up. So you know, there could be a small run of a pullback going down. Okay, I'm looking at the daily. We have an exhaustion square forming here. All right, so that could definitely run up. Taking a look at the weekly, yeah. So it looks like it's taking, yeah, the monthly too. So it looks like you know, the powers that be are showing that Amazon is due for, you know, a little bit of a pullback. So, you know, we may be able to catch a nice run down with Amazon, but for me, again, I would prefer to catch it going up. But again, we can take it going down. So just, you know, just look for your signs here. Okay. One thing I wanted to pull out and mention to you guys is, let's take a look at GU. Let me see, maybe Euro, maybe. All right, the safety trade, guys. All right, keep in mind of the safety trade. The safety trade, it kind of goes, you know, a couple of different ways here. All right, so when the week starts and we get that Tuesday Asian session stack, all right, whenever you see the market pin to the 50 EMA or the 200 EMA, all right, this is considered your safety trade. All right, this will be your peak for the week, and so you never want to trade towards the peak. All right, and so this engulfing candle here, this would have been a good time to get in to buy this. All right, so you could have, again, got in here. You would have had a stop loss of about 52 pips. Okay, it's going to give you about, you know, 10 pips below that this pin here. All right, and then so far you could have been up 62 pips. All right, so that's the safety trade at the beginning of the week. Okay, now the safety trade after the midweek reversal. See here, the mid reversal happened on Tuesday here. All right, and so once the market crosses over the 50 EMA and comes back that first time to test the 50 EMA, this would be your safety trade after the midweek reversal. So you can actually just kind of sit back and wait for the midweek reversal to take place. All right, and this is on the hour chart. This is really easy to see on the hour chart. Wait for the midweek reversal to take place. All right, watch for the break of the 50 EMA and the retesting of the 50 EMA. Now look at this pattern that we have here. We have a pin that was formed here. Okay, we have an engulfing candle right here. All right, we have a directional arrow. Okay, what else do we have? let's take a look at this directional arrow candle. All right, this candle that closed this on this directional arrow that closed below the 13 EMA right here. We can kind of see where the green EMA on the TDI was just piercing the red EMA here. So I may not have gotten in right on this trade. I would have waited for this one. Just again seeing, okay, bam, midweek reversal. We have an M formation. It broke the 50. It came back, pinned off of the 50 EMA, directional arrow. Let me wait for one where the green is below the red and the yellow. It would have been here. Stop loss could have been, 10 pips, here, above here. So that would have put us at about a 40 pip stop loss. All right, and just kind of let it work. Bam, it could have, came down for, let's see, 23 pips here. It would have went back in deficit of about 32 pips and just rolled it down until the next, and to Friday. Okay, that's another easy way. That's why when I was actually doing the pictures for you guys, I gave you, hey, you can get in at the mid reversal or you can get in at the safety trade. All right, and the safety trade is the safety trade. Like we can make good money off of the safety trade. All right, I'm thinking about just forget about trying to catch the mid reversal at its time. Just why not just be patient and catch that safety trade. I know of individuals who make good money off of the safety trade. So there we do have a couple of different options. We don't have to chase the midweek reversal. All right, we can let it happen. All right, and then just clearly see that. Okay, we already know that the midweek reversal can happen on Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday. Preferably for us, we want to look for a Wednesday. But hey, Wednesday last week on EU gave us our safety trade. So why not just take that? So you choose what's best for you. If you feel like, hey, no, I want to catch the midweek reversal off of here, and be up a whole bunch of pips, or hey, I'll catch the safety trade and just be up a few less than what I would have here, but that's guaranteed. So but I just wanted to give you guys those options. So I just wanted to show you that for the safety trade. So all right, so again, our pairs that we're looking for the midweek reversal. All right, I believe I said the dollar index. Mute that for you guys. Dollar index, GU, Euro USD, dollar index, GU, Euro USD, USD Swiss. Okay, so dollar index, GU, Euro USD, USD Swiss. That's it. So we have 4 that we're going to mainly be looking at this week. Okay. And again, hey, it can happen Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday. All right. Wait for it to, preferably wait for it to happen on Wednesday. Or if it happens today, again, just look for the safety trade. If it happens today, okay. If it happens today on Euro, if it happens on Tuesday, Tuesday, June 23rd, that midweek reversal happen. Wednesday, come back, look for the safety trade. Bam. Let's go. Safety trade again is going to give us what? A direction. It'll give us a pin or a reversal formation at the 50 EMA. All right. Look for a directional arrow and look for that close below the red. The close below for the green EMA, below the red and the yellow. Okay. bam, take that safety trade. You don't have to take the midweek reversal. All right, guys. So this has been your update again for June 21st through June 26th for your midweek reversal trade. Be sure to take a look in the column for the workflow institutional supply and demand trades for you guys who are looking to swing your trades. Make sure you take a look at that section as well. As always, I appreciate you guys for being a part of the community. If you need anything, make sure you reach out to me inside the Facebook group. All right. And you guys make sure that you're joining in the trade room. Help each other out, and trade. All right. All right, guys. As always, if you stay in God, you will stay in control. Happy pip fishing. Bye bye.